Hi everyone, my name is Jibachh Thakur and I am thrilled to be here today to share with you my latest task. As I have been doing internship in the Spark Foundation, I am happy to announce that I am back again with my fourth video, which is fourth task. So in this task we are going to do exploratory data analysis on dataset global terrorism, and also we will try to find out the horizon of terrorism. So for this we had imported libraries NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Pyplot, Seaword, and here is the dataset which are storing DF. So this gives, we can see there are many columns. Here df.info gives the information about dataset where there are 135 columns and 181,691 columns, rows. So df describe is method in pandas. So using describe method, here is the descriptive statistics which gives us like total count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. Okay, here let us check if there is any null values. I think there is no any null values. You can see there are too many columns, but we will focus on important columns. Let us check. Here are the total columns in our dataset. So renaming our dataset, I'm just taking important data column in whole dataset for further processing, right? So here is the dataset in which I have taken these columns for further processing. So let us check if there is any null values or missing values in our dataset. Here we can see year, month, day, country column has no any missing values, but in state, city, longitude has many missing values. Let us check if there is any null values or not. So I think there is no any null values. There is no any null values. So these lines here, these lines of code, a print statement, that is print statement used to extract information from data frame DF and used to count the number of occurrences if each unique values in their corresponding column and return the value with highest count. Here you can see the country with the most attack, Iraq, city with the most attacks, Baghdad, region with the most attacks, Middle East and North America. Likewise, most attack types, bombing and explosion. Here this code generates workload of data frame to visualize the frequency of operation of each state column. Here is the state column. Here you can see state column, this is state column, right? In dataset, here output image is a visual representation of most frequent words where the size of each word corresponds to its frequency in the text. Here, bigger the size of text, most frequency of occurrence, right? Now here we count number of operation of each unique values in the year column of dataset in our data frame, including missing values, and then sorts the resulting counts in ascending order. Here you can see in 1970 651, we can see 2014 has the most number of attacks, that is 16,903. Sorry. Now let us visualize our process dataset. Let us create bar plot and produce a visual representation of the number of terrorists attacked by each year, and also easy comparison between years. So here in 2014 year have the most number of attacks, terrorist attack, and in 1971 has the least number of terrorist attack. Let us plot an area plot using cross tab of the year and region column of data frame DF. Here, this visual representation shows the number of terrorist activities in each region for each year. So you can see here the Africa has the most number of terrorist activities. Now let us create pivot table, adding the both killed and wounded columns, sorting them in descending order, and filling the missing values with 0. So let us create horizontal bar chart to visualize top 15 countries affected by a terrorist attack. So we can see here Iraq has the most number of terrorist attacks, and then Pakistan, and then Afghanistan, and then India, Colombia, like that. And so here we have imported volume library to and see visualization using map. Here we have visualized and highlighted the cities affected by terrorist attack in 2014 year. So you can see here the number of attacks using map. You can see. So here it gives the output of the count, number of occurrence of each unique values in group column of data frame. So here in Taliban, number of occurrence is 7,478. In Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant, ISIL, 5,613. And the list is Liberation Tigers of Tamil Ilam, 1606. So let's see total number of people killed in terror attack. The total number of people killed are 44,11,868. Let us look at what types of attacks these deaths were made of. So many deaths are made of because of assassination, hostage taking, and creating a new pivot table for data frame type kill data to see the deaths occur by different types of attacks. So you can see that people killed due to armed assault are 1,60,297, and this is the highest number. And then bombing and explosion, 1,57,381. So thank you. This is the fourth task given by the Spark Foundation during my GRIP internship of data science and business analytics program. So thank you for watching. Thank you.